what is SEO? So SEO is search engine optimization. And it's basically the way that we can take a brand and move them up organically throughout the rankings of the Google search engine when someone's looking for their product.
SEO is important for small business because billions of searches are happening on the internet every day. And most people are searching for specific products and services in their local area. So SEO essentially levels the playing field for even the smallest of businesses so they can compete online even with the big guys.
SEO is critical for a business because it's the best place for ready-to-buy consumers to find your business online. Ready-to-buy consumers are, really what you're looking for to get the best return on your investment for all your advertising dollars.
So what does BizIQ offer their clients when they choose to have SEO managed by us? Everything, right? So, and this is the crucial thing because in this industry, everybody's the best if you ask them, right? We've set ourselves apart based off our reviews. Took a lot to get there, right? So when people come here, we dedicate an entire team to that individual, to that account. We want to get to know them, why they're different, why they're important. We want to make sure that they're in the loop. So we have deliverables that we set so that there's never any point of kind of darkness where the customer doesn't know what's happening, but you're able to see the movement. So we offer dedicated account managers to you. We have an entire SEO team that we have in-house that gets your account, and they work to be able to give you the long form articles, the high authority backlinks, and all the different things that you're gonna need, like referencing domains, to drive up your SEO.
At BizIQ, we consider ourselves a partner, not a vendor. Our hands-on approach ensures that from the very start, you have 5-star service. We understand that some small businesses are venturing online for the very first time, while others are well-established businesses looking to grow their market either nationally or to multiple locations. At BizIQ, we work with companies of all sizes, and we treat everyone with respect and professionalism.
Yeah, so when you choose to work with BizIQ, you're going to work with a set of experts who are highly trained and dedicated to your success. We follow Google best practices, and we're constantly watching your results to make sure we're hitting your expectations and meeting your return on investment objectives.
I would say that as far as work ethic, this is one of the behind the scenes things that nobody really sees. But man, we're all here after hours. We're all doing these accounts much longer than we probably should, but it results in success. And inevitably, when they're successful, we hold the account longer, like we do almost all of our accounts, and this is what makes us successful.